right, welcome to this tutorial series on Coinbase. Now, what exactly is Coinbase? Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that you can use to buy, sell, and convert cryptocurrencies. It's based out of California for those who are US investors. They can create an account on Coinbase and be able to start and able to start, get up and running and start buying and selling cryptocurrencies and sending and receiving it as much as they want. um, because there's a lot of platforms. When I got back into cryptocurrency in 2020, I found out there's not a lot of platforms now that are allowing US investors onto them. So that's why I feel that um, Coinbase is one of the best platforms um, for most US investors to use, in my opinion, right now. And also, it's the most easiest to use that for people who are new to cryptocurrencies. And like I said, for myself, I just started back in cryptocurrencies back in January 2020, but I've been using Coinbase since I was want to say 2016, 2017. And honestly, I have to say Coinbase is actually one of my favorites because in 2016, 2017, I was investing and I was buying crypto and things like that, but I had some financial difficulties and had to get out of cryptocurrency. So for a long time, I was I was I got out of cryptocurrencies. I forgot how to trade. I forgot all the lingo and all the terminology behind trading and cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. So the first place I came when I got back into it just last year in 2020 in January, the first platform I went to was Coinbase simply because of their ease of use. Now, first, let's go into the features of Coinbase and and how can benefit you as a new trader or a person who got out of cryptocurrencies for a bit and just came back into it. One, you could use their wallet, and I have a typo right here. I do apologize for that, but you can use their wallet to store your cryptocurrencies on. Now, the Coinbase wallet is separate from the actual exchange platform themselves. You could download their wallet, and it's a software-based wallet where you could put your cryptocurrencies on that and have it off the platform. Because remember, a lot like trading 101 that I had to learn myself was is to you don't keep all your money, all your cryptocurrencies on the exchange platforms. You keep some of them on the exchange platforms because you just use the ones that you're gonna because the ones you have on on the exchange platforms you're just using for trading. Everything else that you're holding, you want to keep those for you want to keep those on a software based wallet that's on your desktop or a cold storage, which is like a nano ledger or something like that. Now, you can use Coinbase to buy, sell, and convert cryptocurrencies, as I mentioned earlier. And also, you can use Coinbase to stake cryptocurrencies. Well, some cryptocurrencies that they allow you to on that platform. Now, if you're new to cryptocurrencies, staking is where you hold a particular cryptocurrency and you earn cryptocurrencies just by holding it. And there's two examples I could give. You have one which is Taizo, which is on Coinbase, by the way, and you could purchase that cryptocurrency, and then while holding it, you earn cryptocurrencies over time. You earn that particular cryptocurrency. So the longer you hold Taizo, you earn more Taizo the longer you hold it. And then you have another one called VeChain, where VeChain is not on cryptocurrency as of yet at the recording of this video is not, and you could purchase VeChain on some on another platform, and if you stake VeChain, you earn you earn another cryptocurrency called VTHO. So there's two different types of staking that from what I seen when I first got back into cryptocurrencies. I remember when I first got into cryptocurrency back in 2016, 2017, I didn't even know what staking was. But when I got back in 2020, I kind of learned a little bit about it. Um, so like I said, those are two different types of stakings that I learned. But then also on Coinbase, you can actually earn crypto just by watching videos. Now, this is one thing that I really liked when I first got back into it last January in 2020. I when I got back into it and I saw the videos that they were teaching you, have a tutorial series where you could watch videos on a particular cryptocurrency. Like in my case, I watched Stellar. And I was watching the videos on Stellar and learning about that cryptocurrency itself, that particular cryptocurrency. But as I was watching the video, they was giving me Stellar just for watching the video. So I found that very impressive, especially when I watched the video on Graph and Dia. And so I was watching the videos on these uh on these cryptocurrencies, and I was I was just like impressed, like wow, I'm earning cryptocurrencies just by watching the video, which I haven't seen on any other platform as of yet. Um, another good thing I saw about I saw about I like about Coinbase is the fact that you have two different versions of it. You have one which is crypto, which is Coinbase, the regular platform, and that's mainly for beginners to get people up and going as quickly as possible. And then you got Coinbase Pro, where that's more for advanced investors and traders. For me myself, I mainly use Coinbase, but like I said, I'm just telling you your options that you can use. If you want to use Coinbase, the regular Coinbase, you can, and also you have the alternative, which is Coinbase Pro as well. Um, but let's continue on. Now, if you want to look at Coinbase, this is what Coinbase looks like when you first get your account all set up and you got approved and everything. This is basically what the account is going to look like. Right now on Coinbase, they have about 45 different cryptocurrencies on it, and that's a lot compared to how many it was when I first got into crypto. When I first got into crypto back in 2016, 2017. In 2016, 2017, I remember Coinbase only having Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. All the other there was no other cryptocurrencies on it, just those four. So it grew from 2016, 2017, whenever when I was from when I first started, to now it grew from 4 to 45, which that's a huge improvement to me. Um, but yeah, but this is exactly what it looks like. And when you actually look at this interface, it's not intimidating at all. You could actually just go. Actually go in here. You can see where everything is. You can click on your portfolio, look at your coins that you purchased. You can look at your home page. You go into prices, right, which is where the page we're looking at right now, and you can see the coin market. Now, and also you go into earn rewards right here, which that's where you go at to view the videos and things like that, earn cryptocurrencies over and earn cryptocurrencies by just looking at the videos. But we'll go over all that in a second separate video. But the main thing is, if you want to make a trade, if you want to purchase cryptocurrencies or sell it or convert it, and on Coinbase, what you could do, you click this button called trade. Let's say, for example, we're going to be trying to purchase some Bitcoin. You can actually go right here to buy and sell, or if you go into, or if you want to send and receive it, you can. You can do it just by clicking here to send and receive. I'll go over that in a separate video. Let's say you want to purchase, you hit trade right here, and then what happens is it will come up with this little pop-up screen where you could just go ahead and click on it. You could type in $100, and then just hit buy, and then there you go. You pretty much just preview the purchase, and then you're pretty much up and running. You got your Bitcoin, and all you gotta do is make sure that you check your portfolio to make sure that that Bitcoin is there. Um, and also another thing I like about Coinbase is the fact that you could do the reoccurring purchases where you got that one-time purchase right there. You click on this, and you can basically do a reoccurring purchase. If you want to purchase $100 worth of Bitcoin, you can actually just click on that, and then just say to I want to do a reoccurring purchase every week. I want to purchase $100 worth of Bitcoin. All right, so let's go and look at the next one. Now, this is Bitcoin Pro. This is not Bitcoin. Coinbase Pro, sorry. Because now in Coinbase Pro, there's a lot of things going on. Now you do have your portfolio right here. You got the orders that you made and things like that. I know if you're new to cryptocurrency, you're like, okay, what is orders? Well, in this particular case, That's where these orders come in, where you are, it comes when you make a purchase. Now, if you look right here in this section right here, this is where you buy and sell your cryptocurrencies. Now you got to understand. Now you could just go with a market price purchase, or you go with a price a limit purchase. And those terminologies, um, because we could go, I'll go over those in a separate video. But mainly, you just got to understand these terminologies, because the reason why these terminologies, oh sorry, these terminologies can help you with being able to knowing what a limit price is, what a market price is, and what a stop price is. This can help you with saving a lot of money and things like that. And then when you do a limit purchase, that order goes right here. Anytime you purchase a crypto, you're just going to be going into your order section. And also you get the chance to look at the graph and see where everything, see how the performance of the coin, how good, how what the performance is of the coin during this time, like how good is it doing, and you could just weigh the sells against the buys against the sells. In this particular case, we're looking at Bitcoin, Warp Bitcoin. Um, so that's what Coinbase Pro looks like. Now, if you want to go ahead and make a sign up for Coinbase, this is just for the regular Coinbase account. You can just go ahead and go to Coinbase.com, click on sign in, and then what I did was I go here and I go ahead and hit sign up. Then once you hit sign up, you go ahead and you create your account, put in your password, put the state you live in and everything. Then hit check the box and hit create account. Also make sure you read your privacy policies and your user agreements. All right. Oh yeah, also you forgot you gotta put your email there. But then and then you go ahead and put in your phone number, and then you go ahead and send a code to your phone number for your two-step verification. Then once you put in the code, you go ahead and you put the code in right here. Then you hit submit. Then you go right here to this window to this page right here, and you go ahead and enter in all the information that you need to put in just to get your account set up. And then once you hit continue, you pretty much will be done. But in some cases, what it may ask you for photo identification or photo verification. So that it may go ahead and bring that up. Um, but but right now, that's pretty much it. Once you go ahead and submit all this information off, just go ahead and wait for a minute, and then you go ahead and they'll go ahead and like I said, ask you for the photo verification, and then after that, you go ahead and you'll be right. It'll drop you right into your Coinbase account. Um, but thank you for watching this first video on this tutorial series on Coinbase. Um, like I said, Coinbase is one of my favorite it's one of my favorite platforms simply because of its ease of use. And in the next video, we're gonna go over a ton of more things about Coinbase. This is just the first video on just helping you with signing up. But please subscribe. Please subscribe and like the video if you feel that this video was helpful to you. And I will see you in the next video. All right. Peace.